Your vehicle may be equipped with an available feature that can provide electricity to operate certain power tools and other electronic devices. It's called Pro Power Onboard, and here's how to use it. When you start the vehicle, all Pro Power onboard systems provide 400-watt courtesy power to outlets in the cabin. One 120-volt outlet on the instrument panel, one outlet on the back of the center console. The number of cargo bed outlets depends on the system in your vehicle. Two 120-volt outlets for the 2 kilowatt system, two 120-volt outlets for the 2.4 kilowatt system, four 120-volt outlets plus one 240-volt outlet for the 7.2 kilowatt system. LED indicators at all outlets light up when the system is on and turn off when the system is off. The indicators flash when the system is in fault mode. To use the 2 kilowatt Pro Power onboard system, start the engine. Then press the Pro Power Onboard hard button located next to the headlamp control. Or, using the center stack touchscreen, press Features, then Pro Power Onboard, then Power, then Generator Mode. Either method sends 2,000 watts to the cabin outlets. Press this button to turn on the bed outlets. They activate with 2 kilowatts full system power. The combined power draw of all devices in use must not exceed 2,000 watts. Monitor your power draw with the display on the touchscreen. A system shutdown indicates a condition that has tripped Pro Power Onboard protection. Unplug all devices and reset it with the center stack touchscreen. In the 2 kilowatt system, Utility Idle Mode lets you remove the key, lock the vehicle, and keep all outlets on. If your vehicle has a key, follow these steps. Press Utility Idle Mode. Turn the key off. The engine will keep running. Remove the key from the ignition. To switch Utility Idle off, insert the key into the ignition. Turn the key just to the on position, not to the start position. If you have the 2 kilowatt system with push-button start, switch Utility Idle on and off by pressing Utility Idle Mode on the touchscreen. To turn off the 2 kilowatt system, press the hard button next to the headlamp control. The 2.4 or 7.2 kilowatt systems are powered by the hybrid battery pack for the 3.5-liter Power Boost full hybrid engine. With either system, hold your foot on the brake and press the start button until its green light goes on. If the hybrid battery pack is at full charge, the engine will not start, but the system will be ready to activate. Press the Pro Power Onboard hard button located above the center stack touchscreen. Then press Generator Mode on the touchscreen to send full power to the outlets in the cabin. Press this button to turn on the bed outlets. They activate with full system power. Monitor your power draw with the display on the touchscreen. In the 2.4 kilowatt system, the combined power draw of all devices in use must not exceed 2,400 watts. A system shutdown indicates a condition that has tripped Pro Power Onboard protection. Unplug all devices and reset it with the center stack touchscreen. In the 7.2 kilowatt system, a combined 6 kilowatts is available from the 120-volt outlets, and the full 7.2 kilowatts is available with the use of the 240-volt outlet. Certain conditions can trip one or more of 3 circuit breakers, 2 in the bed panel and 1 in the cabin. Check the center stack screen, unplug all devices, and push the breaker buttons to reset them. You can lock the vehicle and the outlets will continue to operate. If the hybrid battery runs low on power, the truck will start automatically to recharge it. To turn off either system, press the hard button above the touchscreen. Any questions? Go to Ford.com/support.